I love planting gardens. I cannot help it. Wherever I go, I throw seeds in the ground and try to grow vegetables. And here I had this lovely little spot that had been an ugly mess of nandina bushes and vines and tree sprouts and all sorts of ugly. Ripped it all out, started it over, had flowers in here, and this spring I decided to throw some vegetable seeds in just for to fill it in, make it do something more than just flowers. And I decided to do crops of Georgia through history. So I had the Three Sisters on one end, commercial crops like peanuts and cotton and cow field peas on the other, and okra in the middle, and just kind of let it do its thing, and it produced an amazing amount of interest. Heirloom seeds are seeds that have been passed down through over the generations by people. It's the oldest method of having seeds. I'm doing it partly because I like to teach, and I like to teach in offshoot ways. And if I can get people interested in growing things, growing vegetables, that's great. And because food is so much a part of culture, it ties right in with anthropology. I love how people are interested in it, and they look at the plants and they feel them, and the okra makes a yellow flower about this big around, and it's beautiful. And this variety is called Bowling Red. It comes from Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it's a very beautiful variety. So not only is it useful, it's also very ornamental. So we have the incredible edible garden. And I love it. Yep.